How to fix AliExpress locked account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix a locked AliExpress account. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So now there are several reasons why your AliExpress account might be locked or why you are receiving those notifications. Unfortunately, this isn't something you can fix directly from app, so instead you will need to visit the official AliExpress website. Once you are on the website, simply head to the profile section and from here simply tap on sign in. Now just try to log in with your credentials, and if you keep running into an issue, it could be because you have attempted to log in multiple times with incorrect details, such as the wrong username or password. So this can trigger a security log on your account. So alternatively, your account might have been restricted due to a violation of AliExpress guidelines. So if your login attempts don't work, you can try again after a short break, and in most cases you should be able to access your account within a couple of tries. However, if the issue persists, the best option is to contact AliExpress support and reach out to them. And after that, you can just explain that you haven't violated any policies and provide your user ID, and they should be able to assist you in recovering your account. And if none of these steps work, you may need to create a new account. And with this, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, then like, share and subscribe to our channel to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.